Para king 16th founding anniversary ng AC Sacred Heart Medical Center, mo basta simpleng selebrasyon ng meganap no meto nga milestone event, amig level up king access at quality ng healthcare para kareng Kapampangan at kareng kasiping nga probinsya. Bida king programa ng blessing at ribbon cutting dareng nga duwang major facilities, ing 3D mammogram o breast tomosynthesis at ing expanded hemodialysis center, parehong game changers, karasking preventive at critical care.
Yes, sabi ko nga 16 years, it's such a significant milestone sa amin. But we're not just measuring time here, no? But we're measuring how much lives we've touched, how many patients we've healed, and we've comforted through the years. Ang sa amin, it's not just a celebration, but it's our affirmation that we all have our shared vision for the hospital, and it's a promise also. It's a reignited promise that we'll keep doing better, we'll improve. We're going up, up, up. That's what we usually sing lately. We want to be golden. That's why ang dami pong mga expansions, and daming new products and services that we want to offer to our community.
Good news para kareng kebabaynan, available ne ing 3D mammogram king mesabing ospital. Meto nga modernong imaging technology aagyong adetect ing mas mga lating cancer cells a posibleng akakit king traditional mammogram. Ating 50-degree wide angle view, ating stereotactic biopsy, minimal radiation exposure at mas dita kasakit o discomfort. Mas malinong images, especially para kareng ating dense breast tissue.
So we acquired the latest technology in digital mammography. So we got Siemens mammography. So we have, together with the regular screening mammography, it includes tomosynthesis, 3-dimension mammography. So it detects the earliest lesion, earliest cancer. So it is the best machines, I think, here in Pampanga so far.
Kawani Keti, covered na iti ng PhilHealth's Yakap program at pwede yan naman gamitan ng HMO. Kaya beya naman king highlights ing Bayung renovated hemodialysis center ang eni mas malwalas, mas moderno at mas komportable para karayong pasyente. Expanded yan naman ng center king 50 dialysis machines. Ametong na karayong Pegmaragul king Mabiluga region. Ating isolation rooms, in-house garden, family meeting room at entertainment system. Accessible yan naman kapamilatan ng PhilHealth no balance billing packages.
Actually, this is a state-of-the-art hemodialysis unit, no? Wherein talagang kumbaga comfortable yung mga patient namin. No, na-expand siya because yung need ng dialysis sa Pampanga is talagang kailangan, in need talaga. Yes. From 28 HD unit, na ngayon po nasa 50 na tayo. Pero ang pagmamalaki namin dito sa institution namin is talagang para siyang nasa maganda po siya. Meron siyang garden and yes, parang hotel po siya.
Ing goal, bawasan ing waiting time at siguraduhan na consistent at high quality care nga tatanggap na rin balang pasyente. Suwestyon damo na marang doktor kareng kabalen ing regular at check-up ang ayagapan reng sakit.
So yung mga patients po natin, lalo na po yung mga may edad like na nasa 50s and above or 60s, at least nagpapa-annual check-up din, nagpapakuha ng dugo, executive check-up, para makita natin or ma-determine if meron silang any abnormalities, pagtataas ng like lipid profile, yung creatinine, and then of course, suggest ko, kung alam ba mataas yung creatinine nila, mag-consult na sila sa nephrom, kuha na sila ng opinion para at least maagapan na natin agad.
Kawani ka rin adwang major facilities, inanunsyo na mo naman ng pamagtas ning bed capacity to 115 beds at ing PhilHealth Yakap program accreditation ning ospital. Lalam ning programang iti, mas marakala pasyente ing mika-access king primary care consultations, health assessments at screening, select lab at diagnostic test at cancer screening at panulo. Agpang king management ng AC Sacred Heart Medical Center, patunay ay tiking karelang pangako king next level care with the heart para kareng mas marakala Pilipino. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.